Wait, they actually molded out like a butt. Do you see this? There's like a subtle kind of wave. Hi, it's Matt. Today we have a haunted Merry Christmas Santa Claus toy. Now let's give you a demo of what it does. Now, as you can see, it's not very enjoyable. It's very loud. Its movements are a little just random, not very controlled. It doesn't really sync with the music. The LEDs are just, they just pulse RGB. It could just use an all-around improvement. I'm gonna leave you to it. You can figure it out. If you don't figure it out, you don't get to eat, so
wait a minute.
Figure it out.
This is an abusive workplace. Can you struggle more visibly so so Matt can get video content?
Sweat. We need to have him like sweat.
Can I just pour a water bottle on you?
Oh my god. You want me to catch a cold, don't you?
Hypothermia, baby.
We're gonna crack this open and see what's inside Santa. And we might not be using the original case. We might extend the bottom or have a cable sticking out the back because I don't think we can fit all our electronics in here. Wow, would you look at that? Santa doesn't really have much. I thought there would be more stuff.
Yeah, sure. This probably works. Right. Why doesn't...
While Andrew is inside there coding and struggling a lot, we're gonna add LEDs to this platform. So I plan to maybe put 8 in a circle. We'll see. That probably looks more aesthetic.
It's working. Really? Nice. It found the song. I cut wires. This is my true calling in life.
So we have a bunch of LEDs. We have cables soldered onto them. They're ready to be put into the base. We also figured out the solenoid valve. You just connect the 2 wires and it works perfectly fine. Now all we need is our coder boy to figure his thing out. Hello there, it's day 2. Andrew's still figuring out the code. He got it to sort of work. We're going to build out the rest of the confetti cannon by using these parts from an old confetti cannon that I made. Gotta believe. Just believe. All right, here we go. Look at that. Smooth actuation. Okay, cool, thanks. We're almost out of hot glue.
Yeah, this seems to be pretty accurate, actually.
Yeah.
Oh, I did it! Woo! What? Yes! Really? Yes! Controlling both servos with full LED response.
a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. Now I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer.
I think you're funny, huh?
Every December 매일 너 하나로 끝없이 이어진 Christmas 울려 퍼진 캐롤도 거리의 불빛도 나를 설레게 하지만 baby tonight 밝아진 그들 보고.
So, Andrew, tell us about your experience building this wonderful contraption.
I learned the computational limits of Arduino. Oh, I experienced firsthand the stereotypical, CS student's life, which is looking up the code and using it in your own. Yeah. It works, sort of.
I learned that out of these 4 things, our expectations were too high. And that sometimes what you need to do is just accept that you can't meet those 4 things and just take it. Arduino is hard apparently. I don't know. And yeah, I didn't do much. Like all the things I did worked fine.
I'm incompetent.
Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to hit all the buttons down there, except for this like button. You can subscribe. You can comment your favorite part, your least favorite part. What? Oh yeah, share this video with your friends.
Yeah, and if anyone figures out how to do this, comment it.
Oh yeah,
'cause-
please help us.